Baking soda bath, 12 amazing benefits. When it comes to do all household wonders, baking soda reigns supreme. Most are already aware of the many uses of baking soda around the house. But have you heard of baking soda bath benefits? Baking soda is a one-time solution to many skin problems, from healing skin infections to maintaining soft, smooth skin. Adding some baking soda to your bath water can take advantage of its numerous benefits while enjoying a relaxing bath in silky water. So how to take a bath with baking soda? Add 1 or 2 cups of baking soda to warm bath water and stir it around to let it dissolve. Then, after the baking soda gets dissolved, sit in the tub. An adult can soak for 30 to 40 minutes, while a child should only be allowed for 10 to 15 minutes. It is recommended that you rinse your body with fresh water after a baking soda bath. This will help you to get rid of toxins residue. Let's go now to the baking soda bath benefits. Number 1. Improve skin elasticity. Baking soda replenishes the skin's elasticity, making it feel smooth, soft, and supple. Number 2. Exfoliates skin. Use a coarse scrub to exfoliate flaky areas. Gently massage some bath water over problem areas to help remove dead skin. Number 3. Improves circulation. Improves circulation, particularly in the limbs, leading to better muscle contraction and temperature regulation. Number 4. Reduces body odor. Thanks to natural odor-fighting properties, baking soda is often used to keep laundry smelling fresh and minimize any strange smells in the refrigerator. It can also be added to baths to help keep you smelling fresh. Number 5. Soothes sore muscles. When your body is tired, it releases lactic acid into your blood, making it more acidic. Baking soda is a natural antacid. Therefore, by adding some of it to your bath, you may feel some relief from muscle cramps and soothe your body after hard workouts or whenever you're feeling physically tired. Number 6. Boosts immune system. Adding baking soda to your bath enhances the body's natural ability to cleanse, detoxify, and purify. As you soak, you're also giving your immune system a boost. Number 7. Heals fungal infection. Fungal infections infect the skin, genital area, and nails. Baking soda has antifungal properties that help in healing fungal infections. It helps relieve the itching, burning, irritation, and swelling in the infected area. It also has a positive effect on vaginal pH. Number 8. Helps with urinary tract infection. Urinary tract infection can cause severe pain and a burning sensation while urinating. Soaking in a baking soda bath can help neutralize the acid in your urine, remove germs, and aid healing. Moreover, it may help with painful urination too. Number 9. Helps reducing eczema itching. Baking soda can also help in reducing the symptoms of eczema. The skin gets dry and itchy in this skin condition. The alkaline level of baking soda helps neutralize toxins, relieving itching. Do not forget to moisturize your skin after the bath. Number 10. Heals rashes from poisonous plants. As baking soda has healing agents, it associates with healing rashes caused by toxic plants. A baking soda bath prevents the skin from absorbing the oils that cause inflammation. It can also reduce irritation and itching on the skin. Number 11. Helps with diaper rash. A baby's skin is very soft and sensitive. It can catch germs and bacteria within a second. Baking soda has antibacterial and antifungal properties that help relieve symptoms like redness, itching, and the general discomfort associated with a diaper rash. However, do not use the same quantity as yourself for the baby and soak the infected area of the infant for about 10 minutes. Mix 1 or 2 tablespoons of baking soda in a lukewarm bath and wash the affected area where the diaper rash has developed. Try doing this for at least 10 minutes up to 3 times daily until the inflammation subsides. Number 12. Reduces chickenpox itch. Baking soda can reduce the pain and constant itching caused by chickenpox in the body. Adding ingredients like oatmeal or chamomile tea may also reduce the symptoms. You can use a baking soda bath at least 3 times daily. Do you know? When baking soda is combined with sea salt, the bath is also great for combating any exposure to environmental radiation, X-rays, plane flights, or airport screenings. Baking soda bath safety concerns. While these baths have many benefits, they are not for everyone. If you suffer from the problem of high blood pressure or diabetes, have severe infections or open wounds, or are pregnant or nursing, then it is advised not to take baking soda baths.